No idea why the video keeps stopping. Random nail right here being in the way. You can tell when you're dealing with someone else's work, you run into a couple problems from time to time. This nail here is in the way. Just my hammer being there messed that shingle up. Shingles have expanded slightly, which isn't allowing for this shingle to lay flat. It'll be an issue for Mr. Mathern. If I can't get this. I don't know how to swap the screen around. Okay, here, aligned with that edge, this edge here, sitting up above the shingle here, which will allow water to run in underneath it. Nothing I can do about that. Same shingle. It's flush on this side as far as it'll go. I'll nail it anyway. Just see if we can't find out exactly what's going on. Six new nails out. Already hit my thumb once. Great. You can see the shingle is secured. Still got the debris underneath, so probably won't seal right unless all this is cleaned out. Even then, got a bunch under here. That's gonna leak unless it's tarred down. This shingle here ripped while I was trying to figure the nails out. This has come loose. Let's see if you can get a good view. It's so hard to do this upside down. This is ripped. I can't see if you see it. This shingle here is worse for wear. Just creased a little under here. You can see that. And that, of course, is messed up. This is messed up. This tore. This tore here. That's an actual crease. This tore off nearly completely. This is torn off. Debris underneath that too. This is torn up. This is torn up. Debris underneath this shingle, even though it was sealed almost all the way. Debris under here. I need to drive a nail in here. Take that out. Nail here. And nail here. That messed up trying to pull the other nail. Fall over. Got to get a better tripod for this. .45 degrees ain't gonna cut it. This. Get in the hole left by the other nail. I don't know if you can see. Right, this shingle here just fell apart. Try to get a good angle of it. That, of course, tore up. It's got debris under it too. This tab came off. It tore somewhere, or it may be over here. Yeah, this tore. I don't know if you can see it. Debris under this shingle. Does not match all the way. It's close enough. Again, there's no guarantee that these will seal unless I get up here with some tar. old shingle here, worse for wear. And that was done on the back side, because I knew it wouldn't match the roof. There's a lot that needs to be done down there. Of course, that side has a lot on it. That side as well. I'll do one more for, I think it's this damaged shingle. Yeah, that'll be right here.